The Volkswagen Passat CC 2010, taking out the mass airflow sensor for cleaning. It is located in here. Right, for those who don't know where the accumulator in Passat CC, it is in the back. But here, if you wanna jump start, or if you need access to the power, then you can get it in here. This is plus, and so you can open this and get charged. How to remove the mass airflow sensor is you're gonna need to use a screwdriver, put it in here, and sort of lift it up a little bit so it will get out. And here are 2 screws. Then you can remove it and clean it with a mass airflow sensor cleaner, which is pretty easy. Then dry it up and put it back when it's dry. That will improve the fuel consumption of your vehicle. Thank you.